Okay, so today's lesson we're going to focus on, I've written the order of operations. So you might have come across this BiDMAS, and I've written here sometimes teachers refer to it as BODMAS as well. Okay, so when we're given calculations to work out and there's, there might be an addition in there, a subtraction, a bracket, this is the order you need to follow. All right, seems a bit funny at first, but you will get used to it. So BiDMAS, so the B stands for brackets. So sometimes you'll have sums or mini sums written in brackets. Indices or order is things like 3 squared, okay, or 5 cubed. Okay, so don't worry if you haven't seen those before, but 3 squared is 3 times 3. 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5. So they're indices or order. Next, simple one is division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So that's the order you need to follow. BiDMAS, BODMAS, all right? I've written here, so when you are presented with problems with more than one operation, you must follow BiDMAS. Example, 2 times, open bracket, 10 add 5, close bracket equals. Okay, so I've put here the wrong way of doing it. So the wrong way of doing it would be going from here and working your way along. All right, and then I've put the steps here. If you were to do it wrong, you would say, well, 2 times 10 is 20. 20 add 5 is 25, and that's wrong. Okay, think about BiDMAS. Okay, B is for brackets. So that's the bit you need to do first. So really, you need to turn that sum on its head and say, I need to do this bit first. What is 10 add 5? 10 add 5 is 15. Okay. So I'm going to write that above my bracket so I don't forget it. Yep, and now I need to do my multiplication, the only other part of the sum remaining. 2 times 15 or 15 times 2. So the answer is 30. Wrong way got me 25, the right way got me 30. Okay? So I've said your turn. All right, so you can see here I've put BiDMAS. So I've put my brackets. Have you got any? Okay, you haven't got any indices today, any squared or cubed. Okay, so you've got your brackets, then your division, then your multiplication, then your add, and then your takeaways. So you can see for the first one, A, brackets are before multiplication. So you would do your brackets and then you multiply. When you've got 2 brackets like B in a question, okay, do them in the order they appear. So do 6 add 7, whatever the answer is. Do 5 take away 2, whatever the answer is. Write them above the brackets. Then you can see what I'm asking you to do. Okay, so you might have done these before. If you haven't, have a go. Okay, the only way we're going to learn is by having a go, isn't it? And remember to follow BiDMAS. Okay, so pause now. Press play when you're ready to go through these answers, please. Okay, cool. So I'm going to change my colour to red, and I'll put the answers as I'm going along, okay? So this first one, I need to do my brackets first. So that would be 70 in my brackets, and I need to multiply the 70 by 4. So my answer for the first one is 280. B, okay, I've got 2 brackets, so 6 add 7 is 13. 5 take away 2 is 3. And what am I doing to the 13 and the 3? I'm multiplying them. So my answer there is 39. Okay, 23, take away 5, add 3. So I've got a takeaway and an addition in there. What comes first? It's the addition, isn't it? So 5 add 3 is 8. 23, take away 8 would be 15. Next one, I've got an addition and I've got a division. So I can see in BiDMAS, division comes first. So what is 50 divided by 5? It's 10. 3 add 10 is 13. See what we're doing? And then the last one, I've got a bracket and an addition, so my bracket comes first. What is 7 times 3? It's 21. Add 71 would be 92. And did we have one more? Yes, we did. Okay, so the last one, I've got a division and a multiplication. So which bit comes first? It's division. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 100 is 500. Okay, so there's my answer. So have a look at those, see how many you got right. 6, if you got 6 out of 6, superb. If you've got 4 or 5, well done. If you've got 3 and below, don't worry, okay? Because we're going to be doing this BiDMAS tomorrow. We will get there, okay? Keep the faith, and I look forward to seeing you then.